Audio Jungle. This is High-Tech News TV News. Chennai Mantra Electric's ESCV division developed Electric Vehicles Private Limited has marked a significant milestone with the inauguration of its first ESCV dealership in Madavaram, Chennai. This is the first ESCV dealership in South India, Tamil Nadu, reinforcing the brand commitment to expanding its footprint in the state. The new dealership was inaugurated by Developed Electric Vehicles CEO Mr. Sajun Nair and TVS Vehicle Mobility Solutions CEO Mr. Madhu Raghunath in the presence of key stockholders including customers, financiers and other distinguished guests. The EV Ather sets new benchmark with an industry-leading certified range of 245 km and a real-world range of 170 km. To ensure reliability, longevity, the vehicle comes with an extended warranty of up to 7 years of 2.5 lakhs kilometers. After that, Mr. Sajun Nair said, "We are thrilled to open our first dealership in Chennai. At Mantra Electric, we are dedicated to driving innovation and sustainability in clean mobility solutions." Mr. Madhu Raghunath added, "We are excited to partner with Mantra Electric. This is a new dealership will not only solidify Mantra Electric's position as a leading EV player in the region, but also enhance customer accessibility to reliable and efficient ESCV. Guided by them, Filett's integrity, passion, quality, respect and responsibility and a culture of professionalism. The group has workforce of over 83,500 employees. To know more about the Mantra Electric, visit the official Mantra Electric website www.mantraelectric.com.